Let's make these cheesy chicken cheese balls. So good. So let's go.
In your pan, you melt some butter, add in the chicken pieces, ginger and garlic paste, and chili paste. Mix and cover and cook until the water that's released from the chicken has evaporated. You then add in the ground cumin, black pepper, salt, peri sauce, and chopped jalapeños. Mix and cook for a few minutes so that the spices are cooked in nicely. Then leave aside to cool. Once the mixture has cooled, sprinkle over the cheeses, add in the spaghetti, mashed potato, lemon juice, and chopped coriander and mix together. Then roll and dip in egg and coat in breadcrumbs and repeat this process again so they don't pop when frying. And then deep fry until golden. Follow for more easy, delicious recipes. Enjoy!